All right, guys, we have 5 high short interest stocks to break down in this video. But first, do not forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100, and boom, you get up to 15 stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, get your money, and of course, it helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And now let's dive into the video with stock number 1, which is ticker symbol SAVA, Cassava Sciences, which it looks like to me, guys, this is on the verge of breaking out. So what I'm noticing on the 4-hour chart here is an ascending triangle. We have clear higher lows being made, and by the way, we're up a lot off the recent $8 low from around 3 months ago, or 2 months ago actually, and we're making again higher lows into the resistance at about $33 per share, and we have sold off a little bit here. Nice for an entry point. Not financial advice, but I'm looking at it like that, right? We can see we're right above the 180 SMA, and I'm telling you, man, if this breaks out of $33 per share, we could end up getting an explosion. And like I said in the intro, these are high short interest stocks, and this one has a 35.7% short interest right now. So let me set my alert at $33 per share. If we get out of there, guys, the ascending triangle plays out, boom. This can make a move, maybe back to the highs from, when was this? The beginning of August, 38, 39 bucks. Dare I say 40 to 42 bucks, which was the high from the end, or beginning rather, excuse me, of August, right? So this looks pretty good on the charts here, guys. I'm putting my alert, I just did, at 33 bucks per share. And keep in mind, these are very risky stocks, very risky as as they get, right? And I don't own any of these stocks at the time that I'm making this video, at least as of now, guys. Of course, things are subject to change, and I'm looking for that break above 33 bucks. Stock number 2 is B. Riley Financial, which I'm sure a lot of you guys may or may not have heard of, but you might have heard of it, I think. This stock's been obliterated from 40 bucks down to $6 per share, heavily shorted. Highest on the list by far here, 76% short interest heading into earnings, which I believe could surprise potentially. They're on the 26th of this month, so in 6 days from right now, next Thursday, we're going to get their numbers. Maybe we get a surprise. If we do, this could spark a gnarly rally in B. Riley. RILY is the ticker, and potentially a short squeeze. We've seen it happen time and time again. I mean, look, back in the end of April, this stock doubled in a couple of days from 20 bucks to $40, and that's pretty much when this destruction started, but I don't think it's going to last. I think at some point we will get a short squeeze, get an opportunity where we can get in and out, or at least I can get in and out. Do your own research, and I'm looking to see if we get a catalyst on earnings, right? So I'm watching RILY very, very closely. Another one here with 62% short interest is Innovative Eyewear, ticker symbol LUCY. This one's up about 4% at the time that I'm making this video, and we're already up around 2 to 3x from the lows that we hit about a month ago, actually less, about 3 weeks ago. And by the way, we have a golden cross. We're above the moving averages. This looks pretty good in my opinion. Obviously, it's already breaking out. If we cool off at all on LUCY, that could potentially open up an entry point. At least that's the way I'm looking at it. And for Pete's sake, guys, this stock went from $4 to what? 20 bucks back in May, then it pulled back down to 5 or 6, then it ran all the way to 27 again. So this is clearly a short squeeze candidate. It's starting to heat up again. Volume's kicking up. So I'm watching it very closely here in the short term. And by the way, these are all short-term trades, not investments. You couldn't pay me to long-term invest in these guys. Again, they're very risky. But I'm looking to make that short-term money on these, right? So that's LUCY. Another one here that I'm looking at, I think stock number 4 is IGMS, ticker symbol IGMS, which is IGM Biosciences. This one's also been heating up like crazy. From around $10, it ripped to $22. Now we're cooling off down to $16, potentially opening up for a dip buy opportunity. And if this thing cools down even more to $12, $13, $14, I might consider it on the more speculative side of my portfolio. This one's got 42, I was going to say 32, 42% short interest, which is very high, not as high as B. Riley or Lucy, but still very high. Looking at stocks in general, 40% is insane. Pretty much anything over 5-10% is a lot of short interest, right? So we can see it's down 5% at the time that I'm making this video, and it's looking pretty good on the charts. We can see we recently took out the highs from a couple of months ago, from February, and now we're kind of making our way here to this old resistance, looking to hold it as support at about $14.50 to $15 per share. If we're successfully able to pop off that point, start breaking back over 17, 18, this could be a nice runner in the short term, in my opinion. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to hit that like button if you stuck till the end, and subscribe. I think 50% of you guys are not subscribed. And check out the mailing list, by the way. It's free. Put your first name and your email address, link down below, also pinned in the comment section. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks for free every single Monday morning. You don't want to miss out on that, guys. Go check it out. MPW, Medical PPTYS, or Properties. I don't know why I said PPTYS. What the heck am I doing here, guys? But this one's been getting hot. Very hot. It's up around, let's see, from 475 to 655. It ripped for a couple of days there, about 35%. Now we're cooling down to 580. So this could open up an entry potentially right here. Don't take this as financial advice, guys. And I'm thinking, look, we're holding above the highs from the beginning of June. We're holding that as support. That's a very good sign right now. Also, we're above the 50 moving average. This could end up rocketing off this support level, mid-high fives, in my opinion. And this has 40% short interest, guys, which is absolutely insane. And the overall trend is very strong on MPW right now. Very, very strong. So let's just see if the momentum continues. What do you guys think about these stocks? Let me run through them again. RILY, which is Riley or B. Riley Financial, right? That's number one. Number 2 is Lucy, which again is Innovative Eyewear, ticker symbol LUCY. Number 3, IGMS, which is IGM Biosciences. Number 4, which we just went over, is Medical Properties. And the last one, which I actually covered first, I have them listed differently here on my notes, guys. Either way, last one is SAVA, is the ticker. Let's pull it up. Cassava Sciences, which the ascending triangle is looking pretty good here, guys. Let's wait for the breakout. So what are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, guys. And don't forget to snag up to 15 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked right down below, guys. Or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.